girl alone in my little world who dreamed of a little home for me.
Life in the garden is so boring.
I played pretend between the trees and fed my house gas sparking leaves and laughed in my pretty bed of green.
I miss Mom so much, but the winter got the best of her.
I could fly from the highest swing. I had a dream.
But I still have my dad and sister. But my dream is to venture to the outside world.
Walks in the dark through woods grown behind the park. I asked God who I'm supposed to be.
But can I do it?
Stars smiled down at me. God answered inside.